Hey people, well sorry you hadn't heard from me in a while, but I've been busy with stuff here and there. I have gotten quite a number of fans during that time, just hadn't been able to show them. I'm now trying to catch up on YouTube videos. Well, here's the first fan I have to show that I've gotten. This is a Hoover model 6716 14-inch oscillating desk fan. This is probably the largest size of the Hoover desk fans. Unlike the 97 or 6708 and 6710, this one is actually 3-speed, and the speed control knob is on the base instead of on the back housing like the smaller ones are. So I have an overall look at this and fire it up. Here's the one side. Yeah, as you can see, it's got the cord for the switch going from here up to there, since the switch is down here. And there's the thing for the power cord. And it's got the same oscillating gear. Well, this one manages to get stuck sometimes. The other side. And the back. Look at the oscillating gear, same as on the 10 and 12-inch models. And get a good shot of the Hoover badge. Same as on all the others. Even the small 6700-08, I think it is. The little 8-inch one. And now we'll run it. Has kind of a buzz or rattle when you start up, but it goes away when the fan gets up to speed. It's probably motor vibrating against something, or I don't know. Here's high. And I already have an oscillating mode, so I don't have to fiddle with the thing during the video. And it really does throw out a lot of air. And go down to medium. And low. Like I said, this really is a 3-speed. And as always, OFF spells off. And there you have it. This is my like late 60s or early 70s Hoover model 6716. I might have said 9716 early, but it's a 6716. So, thank you for watching.